Hi there, I'm Alexandra Legouix. I'm an automotive journalist and YouTube presenter for Auto Trader, and I have spent the last few months living with a PodPoint home charger. Let's see how I've been getting on. So I was under the impression that having a home charger might be a high-tech struggle, but I was so wrong. It's been a total game changer. It's been just as easy as plugging my mobile phone into charge or switching on the kettle. No need to struggle with anything technical or fiddly. I just simply plug it in and walk away, and that's it. And the best bit is that it's been so reliable. I don't need to come out every 5 minutes and check that it's charging, and I can go to bed knowing that when I wake up, my car will be completely charged. It's bliss. It's been so convenient and a total time saver. In a world where there's an app for everything, I'll have to admit I was a little bit hesitant. Like, do we really need another app? But enter the PodPoint app, which is really simple, easy to use and informative. I can create a custom charging schedule, I can keep track of my energy uses, and I can keep an eye on my charging costs. PodPoint also offers an exclusive EV energy tariff for new customers with zero carbon, renewable electricity powered by EDF. It also has a low overnight charging rate, which helps you save money. Winner, winner! Save money and save the planet at the same time. What could possibly be better? So, PodPoint's home charger. What do I think? Absolute game changer. It has seamlessly fitted into my life without any hassles and no issues. It's like any other tech in my house. I just turn it on and I can walk away. If anything, it's freed up time in my life because I don't have to go to a petrol station anymore, which with a 2.5-year-old is a real game changer. The Solo 3 does exactly what it says it's meant to do. It charges my car without any fuss. It's been really convenient, an absolute win, and I highly recommend it.